It is difficult and time-consuming to work with payroll data. The report layouts are designed for printing, not analyzing or reconciling. Altair provides an automatable data extraction and preparation solution called Monarch. One use case of Altair Monarch is to convert complex, unstructured reports immediately and accurately to tables of structured rows and columns. Altair Monarch uses text pattern recognition technology and best-in-class data preparation to identify, extract, and align relevant data points record by record with the computer's speed and precision. These data can then be exported to CSV, Excel, or database, or can be compared directly to any other database or report of record, ultimately creating an automated process for reconciliation and analysis so that no one ever need waste time on ungainly payroll reports. For payroll alone, Monarch saves an average of 10 hours per analyst per month. In one deployment at a large online retailer, this has resulted in savings of $1.26 million per year. The automated Altair Monarch technology works for ADP, Paychex, Incode, PeopleSoft, Paylocity, SBS, or any payroll system producing Excel reports, CSVs or flat file, text reports, or PDF. To learn more about Monarch for payroll and many other applications, visit altair.com/monarch.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mona Suhabinti Al-Nasir. This presentation will explain more about new technology of data automation. I will start the presentation with the definition of data automation. Data automation is the process of uploading, handling, and processing data via automated tools instead of manually performing all these tasks, which means that data automation in accounting refers to the use of technology to automate manual tasks associated with financial data processing, bookkeeping, and reporting. This can include activities such as data entry, reconciliation, journaling, and reporting. For example, in order to enter data, bank statement, invoice, and other sources will be imported into accounting software. Reconciliation will then involve matching transactions from different sources to ensure accuracy. Besides that, recording financial transactions in the general ledger is an example on how data automation related on journaling activities. And lastly, data automation will be generating financial statements and other reports.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nurain Bahia binti Jamil. The elements of data automation can be broken down into three main stages, which are extract, transform, and load. These stages work together to move data from its source, prepare it for analysis, and deliver it to its destination. The first stage is extract, where the data sources must need to identifying and accessing data from various sources like database, spreadsheets, web pages, sensors, and APIs. Next, employing tools and techniques like connector, web scraping, API integration, and file import to retrieve the data. By selecting relevant data and applying basic cleaning to address missing values, inconsistency, and formatting the issues. Secondly, transform. Ensuring data aligns with the target format and meets requirements for accuracy and completeness. By transform is to make sure the data was cleansing and normalization, which are correcting error, removing duplicates, and standardizing the data structure for consistency. Lastly is load, delivering the prepared data to its destination, such as data warehouse, database, data lakes, or analytical platform. Furthermore, data loading method which implementing techniques like bulk loading, incremental updates, and streaming to efficiency transfer the data to tracking data flow, monitoring for error, and ensuring data integrity throughout the process. Now, I will explain in details about data automation. Most of the practicing accountants have been using the technologies for the many years since they are an evolution of the accounting software, information technologies, and also advancement in artificial intelligence. These changes has made the accounting activities and the tasks become more easier for the accountant. Without further ado, I will further explain on the rationale and origins of data automation and how does it works. Next, by the 1928, an IBM tabulator could process 100 cards in a minute, as this shows that the punch card machine has been created. After the World War II, John Macaulay and his partner built UNIVAC to record the date on the magnetic instead of punch card in 1955. General Electric was the first company who using the UNIVAC in their company for the recording payroll system as the technology became widely used. In 1978, the first spreadsheet was being launched, and at the same year, Pastry was the first accounting software has been offered for the PCs. Since that, Intuit has launched Quicken in 1983, where it is the software that can use by the non-accounting workers. Lastly, in the 1987, Microsoft created Excel, which is still being used by the accounting until now. And nowadays, users of the accounting software become widely used as there are a lot of development in the accounting software such as SQL and AutoCount. In the accounting industry, data automation leverages software and technologies to streamline and eliminate middle processes. Data automation is transforming the financial world, streamlining tasks and freeing up everyone's time for critical thinking. Here's how data automation impacts different groups. For the accounting firm, the data automation increases the efficiency and productivity, with the repetitive tasks like data entry, reconciliation, and report generation are automated, freeing up staff for high value analysis and client consultation. Besides that, it also improves accuracy and reduce error by manual data entry error are minimized through automatic data capture, it leading to more reliable financial statements. Second, for the auditors, no more mountains of paper. Automation pulls data directly from system, analyzing it for anomalies and potential risks. Auditor can pinpoint area for focus, leaving them to tackle complex judgment and ensure financial integrity. For the finance professional, budgeting and forecasting become a breeze. Real-time insights from automated data let finance make data-driven decisions, optimize costs, and ensure compliance with regulation. They become strategic partners, guiding the business with financial foresight. Lastly, for the business owner, they no need to be buried in spreadsheets. Data automation provides clear, real-time dashboards, giving owner instant insights into cash flow, expenses, and profit. They can make informed decisions with confidence, focusing on growing their business, not battling the paperwork. In short, data automation isn't replacing people. However, it is empowering them. By taking care of the repetitive, it allows everyone to focus on what they do best, making smarter decisions and driving success for themselves and their organizations.
The accounting profession is undergoing a significant transformation driven by technological advancement, especially in data automation. This automation offers a range of potential opportunities and advantages that can revolutionize accounting practice, enhance efficiency, and significantly benefit both accounting professionals and their clients. Here are some advantages of data automation. First one is eliminates human error. Second one is improve data quality. The third is more organized, and fourth is to share information and collaboration with others. The first one is eliminates human error. Because accounting automation may be programmed to follow strict protocols when carrying out any kind of task, data automation lowers the possibility of human error. Accounting not have to manually review every transaction every month or quarter by using it. For example, to automatically reconcile accounts by comparing current statement with prior statements, because it can be programmed to automatically enter the accounting entries from the invoice in the accounting software. It also eliminates human mistakes. Next is improve data quality. To understand how accounting automation improve data quality, it is important to understand how much manual work goes into traditional bookkeeping. Accounting staff often spend hours each month manually entering data into different systems and matching up transactions that are made on paper check against electronic ones. When it comes in time to reconcile accounts with bank statement or other third-party vendors, the procedure can be difficult and prone to human mistake. So data automation helps eliminate this problem by automating both data entry and reconciliation processes. Third is more organized. Accounting software of data automation helps to stay organized by keeping all the financial information in one place. This means that instead of having to sort through piles of papers, receipt, and invoice, an accountant can keep everything in one place and easily access it whenever needed. Automation will keep records up to date, so accountants don't have to worry about missing any important transactions or tax deadline. Besides that, this accounting software can track all the income and expenses, which means that it's easier to fill out tax form at the end of the year. Lastly, it's easy to share information in collaboration with others. Accounting automation enables organizations to transfer data between multiple systems or applications using software tools that automate repetitive tasks. It can connect accounting software with other systems in an organization, including customer relationship management, human resources, and e-commerce to share data more easily. While data automation offers significant benefits to the accounting profession, it also presents challenges that need to be addressed for successful implementation. The challenges may include job displacement and skill gap, implementation costs, data quality and integration, and lastly, change management and resistance to adoption. As a result of the automation process, it could lead to job displacement and a skills gap among accountants. Job displacement refers to the potential of automation replacing tasks traditionally performed by accountants. Repetitive tasks like data entry, bookkeeping, and basic analytics are particularly susceptible to automation, potentially leading to job losses in this area. While complete automation of the entire accounting function is unlikely soon, the landscape is undoubtedly shifting, demanding adaptation from human accountants. The skills gap arises from the mismatch between the skills possessed by current accountants and those required to thrive in the automated environment. Traditional accounting skills like data manipulation and basic analysis will become less valuable, while proficiency in advanced technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data visualization will become increasingly crucial. Accountants need to bridge this gap by acquiring new skills to complement automation, focusing on tasks that require human judgment, critical thinking, and strategic decision making. Next, implementation costs are a main challenges for the company. It is because implementing data automation solution can be expensive, particularly for smaller firms. For example, implementing data automation solutions can involve significant upfront costs for software, hardware, and system integration. Besides that, training staff on new technologies and adapting to automated workflows require investment in training programs and resources. Maintaining and upgrading automation systems also require ongoing costs, making it crucial to evaluate the long-term cost-benefit ratio. Furthermore, it might be challenging to guarantee data quality and integration across several systems since data might be inconsistent, incomplete, and difficult to reconcile. Accounting data often resides in multiple systems and formats, requiring complex integration processes to ensure accurate and consistent data flow for automation. In terms of data cleansing and standardization. Inconsistent data provides missing value and error can negatively impact automation effectiveness. Significant error may be required to clean, standardize, and validate data before applying automation tools. Also, integration with all the non-automated systems can be difficult and costly, hindering the full potential of data automation. Lastly, change management and resistance to adoption in an organization can be a challenge as accountants of the technological solution can refuse. If they accept or resist the change depends on how extensive the change is in the organization. The reason why accountants resist can be because they need to learn new skills on how new technology works. The rapid pace of technological advancement demand continuous learning and adaptation from accountants. Accountants need to stay ahead of the curve in terms of new tools, data analysis techniques, and digital literacy for professional accountants to remain relevant and thrive in the evolving landscape. Hence, this can involve fears of failure or fears that one must break traditional methods. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Humaira Binti Muhammad. I want to discuss about the theoretical framework that contains solution and recommendation for data automations. I want to discuss solution for the challenges from previous slide. First, cost saving. Automation can lead to cost savings by reducing labor costs, minimizing errors, and optimizing financial process. For reduced labor costs, automation takes over repetitive manual tasks, freeing up valuable employee time for high-level analysis and problem solving, especially crucial when addressing dynamic emerging issues. This can lead to less reliance on manual work, means less need for overtime expenses, and need fewer personnel dedicated to repetitive tasks, allowing for more strategic hiring. For automation, significantly reduce human error in data entry, calculations, and other process. This translates to better data, leads to more reliable insights and informed decision making, saving time and resources waste on correcting errors. For optimized financial process, it can automate invoicing, eliminates delays, and ensures timely payment. It also can reduce fraud risk by automated controls and anomaly detection, minimize the risk of financial fraud. Secondly, upskilling accountants for data-driven consulting. While automation may displace some accounting tasks, it simultaneously opens doors to exciting new opportunities for accountants in the realm of data-driven consulting, enhancing consulting skills by focus on developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills to help clients navigate emerging issues and make data-driven decisions. By embracing upskilling and focusing on developing data fluency and consulting expertise, accountants can transform automation from a threat to an opportunity. They can position themselves as valuable advisors and problem solvers, helping business and navigate emerging issues with data-driven insights and strategic guidance. Remember, the future of accountant lies in embracing technology and adapting to the evolving needs of the market. By investing in continuous learning and upskilling, accountants can secure a future of fulfilling and impactful work in the age of data-driven decision-making. For third solution is overcoming resistance to data automation with communication and collaborations. In terms of communication, it must be open and transparent. The company must clearly explain how automation will address emerging issues, improve efficiency, and benefit both the company and employees. Acknowledge potential job changes while emphasizing reskilling opportunities and career development initiatives. In terms of collaboration, involve employees in the process, form teams of employees from different departments to provide input on automation workflows, and identify potential challenges. Empower employees through training by providing comprehensive training on new technologies and automation tools, empowering employees to actively participate in the change process. By prioritizing open communication and fostering collaboration, organizations can turn resistance into acceptance and empower employees to embrace data automation as a valuable tool for addressing emerging issues. Lastly, improve accuracy and compliance. While data quality and integration remain significant hurdles for many organizations, data automation offers powerful solutions to enhance accuracy and ensure compliance with complex regulatory requirements, particularly when addressing emerging issues. The company must to automate data validation and error checking. Automation can identify and rectify inconsistency, missing values, and formatting errors in real time. Automation can transform data from various formats and sources into a consistent format, facilitating seamless integration and reducing manual effort. For compliance and with regulatory requirements, data automation can streamline the generation of regulatory reports, ensuring accuracy and adherence to complex compliance requirements. Next, recommendations for effectively addressing the challenge. Firstly, invest in data analytics tools and expertise. Accounting firms need to invest in data analytic tools and platforms to effectively manage and analyze large data sets. Investing in data analytics tools and expertise is a strategic move that can significantly enhance organization efficiency and decision-making process. By implementing advanced tools and cultivating expertise in data analytics, business can automate routine tasks such as data cleaning and reporting. This not only accelerates the pace of insights generation, but also reduces the likelihood of errors associated with manual data handling. In summary, the synergy of cutting-edge tools and skilled personnel in data analytics, coupled with a focus on automation, propels business into a data-driven era where agility and precision are important. Secondly, establish data governance framework. Data governance frameworks define rules, responsibility, and process for managing data assets, ensuring data integrity and accessibility. Establishing data governance framework is crucial for organizations seeking to harness the full potential of data automation. In the context of data automation, this framework acts as a guidance structure, ensuring that automated process align with regulatory compliance, data quality standards, and organizational objectives. Additionally, a well-structured data governance framework promotes transparency and accountability, critical factors in the successful implementation of data automation. Last recommendation is adapt data security and privacy measures. Data security and privacy measures such as encryption and access controls are crucial to protect sensitive financial data from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. Adopting robust data security and privacy measures is imperative when implementing data automation to safeguard sensitive information. By incorporating stringent security and privacy measures into the fabric of data automation initiative, organizations not only mitigate risk but also build trust with stakeholders, demonstrating a commitment to safeguarding sensitive information in an era of increasing digital complexity. The field of accounting is always faced with new and challenging rules as well as complex emerging issues. Data automation shows up as a potent beacon in this unexplored territory, directing their decision-making and shedding light on new roads by which to go. In conclusion, data automation represents a fundamental change in the way accounting views the future rather than merely a technological instrument. It acts as a beacon of light, shedding light on the way through the midst of newly developing problems, facilitating well-informed decision-making and strategic adaptation, and ultimately leading to long-term success in a world that is changing quickly. Accept data automation and watch accounting become an active navigator in the changing future terrain instead of just a passive recorder. While data automation in accounting offers substantial benefits, its successful implementation necessitates a proactive approach to addressing emerging issues and ensuring the security and adaptability of ultimate systems.